welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. And if I sound a little raspy today, I am competing with my allergies, and I am trying to make the best of it. So I hope that everybody else is feeling well. I'm in Canva today, and I'm really just messing around, testing something out, which I believe I can do. And I just want to see if I can actually pull it off. So what I want to do is utilize some of the fonts that are available in Canva and see how I can transfer them over to my Cricut. So I'm just going to type out a couple of words. Let me just type my name out in different fonts. And when you're in Canva, you can click your text box over here, and you can choose from any of these sizes here, and then you can change your fonts type over here if you like, or you can go down to any of the combinations that are already shown and choose from some of those. So they have combinations that are listed over here on the side, and you can just choose from any of those. If you choose from those, it just is automatically going to be what you see. So I'm going to click coffee please, and then I'm just going to change it to say hope. Now this is one of those fonts where no matter how you type it, it's automatically going to show up as capital letters. So depending on what you're looking at, like if I type the action, it's going to show up as a capital letter. And so now I'm going to go back to the top of my text and just click heading and type my name again, and I'm going to pick a font. I actually like this new Pony Club. I just found that recently. I like that because it kind of reminds me of Christmas. So I'm not going to worry about I'm not going to worry about any of the color or sizes too much right now. I just want to see, after I download this, can I upload it into Cricut. So I'm going to click download. I'm going to save it as a PNG file. And if you give me a minute, I'm going to go over to Cricut and upload it. Now I am using a free version of Canva, as you can see. Just so everyone knows, I'm not in Pro or anything like that. This is just the free version of Canva. Alright, so now I'm in Cricut Design Space. I clicked my upload image, and I'm hitting complex. And I'm going to zoom out and clean up my background. You know, I can zoom in and get like this area here, here, and in case you don't know, you can always scroll down to the bottom and click preview. That will show you what exactly you got out. Like you see at the top of my E, there's an area that needs to be cleaned up. So you can hit high preview and then click that again, and you'll see that the E is now cleaned up when we come back. There we go. And so you can do that for all of your white spaces. And I know some people like to watch the whole process, and some people just want to skip to the end. But I really just wanted to see how these particular fonts would upload. And obviously, this is going to come up. I can either do a print and cut if I wanted to keep this original look like this, or I can do a cut image. And now I'm just going to insert it. Now I can slice these apart because these are going to be uploaded as one whole sheet. And I can go in here and add some squares or something and just slice them off. So I would do that by putting a square over it, enlarging the square out, making sure it's covered, grouping them together. Not all of them, just those two. Okay, work with me here. Okay, let me try it this way and see what's going to happen. I hit slice. And now that I'm thinking about it, I could have probably done something different. But anyway, now there's my sliced off name. You can keep either version of it. They're basically both cut images. And then you can repeat the same thing for the next one. And now I'm curious. Of course, I get curious on camera. But instead of doing them one by one, let's see if I can just slice them all. Since it is one PNG image, it probably will allow it. Typically, Cricut won't let you group a bunch of stuff together to try to slice. But it did because it was loaded as one PNG image. But it cut it as one PNG image. So it did slice, but it sliced it as one image, not slicing it apart. Okay, you live and you learn. So we're going to slice it again. And so this is just another way to get new fonts. Obviously this is a lot of work. I wouldn't be trying to get a whole bunch of fonts this way, but I was curious. So if I wanted to say something like Hope for the Holidays or something like that, I can mix that font with another font that's already in Cricut. Something like that. And then those things could slice out. Or if you were doing something that was like people's last names or something like that. If you don't have access to do it another way, you can do it in Canva, save it as a PNG, take it over to Word. If you're only using one word, one name, whatever, maybe you're doing family and you want a particular font like this for family, you would only have to do it one time, and then you could add it and mix it with other fonts that you may have in your Cricut or that you get from another place. But this is just another option, another way to play around with importing something to your Cricut, making it a basic cut file, and then you'll be able to cut it out. So I hope this helped somebody. It was fun playing around, seeing if it would work. I thought it would, and it was successful. So I'm happy about it. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you all have a great day. Remember to hit the notification bell so you'll know when I upload. Have a good one.